Hey guys, Miss Frias again, back here for another sound lesson. Once again, we're going to do this just pretty similarly to how we do it in school when you're at my small group table. I want you talking and speaking out loud to your computer just as if I could hear you, okay? Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and begin by producing rhymes, okay? So we are going to rhyme with the sound an. Say an. Good. All right, now I'm going to tell you the onset, the beginning part, and then our rhyme is an. So it's going to look like this. An. Jan. An. Man. Good. An. Dan. Last one. An. Van. Good. Jan, man, Dan, and van all rhyme. They all have the same rhyme of an. Good job, guys. Alrighty, today the blend that we are going to be working on is cool. Cool. When we see C and L together, just like this, it says cool. Say cool. Good. Take your finger in the air. Write C-L while you're saying cool. Good. Some words that we hear our C-L sound in, our C-L sound. Some words are clock. Say clock. Good. Clean. Say clean. Good. And class. Say class. Awesome, guys. All right, we're going to practice reading some words now. Some of our words have our new cool blend, so you can practice saying it. Some of our words don't, and just have other sounds that we know. So, what we are going to do is I'm going to give you a chance to say the sounds and to blend the word on your own. And then I'm going to do it so that you can check and make sure you're saying the sounds and the words correctly, okay? So the first word that we're going to practice all together has our new cool blend, all right? We see the C-L, so we know it says cool. So I want you to say the sounds and then blend. Good. All right, you should have said class. Class. Good. All right, our second word, again, has our cool blend. So I want you saying the sounds and blend. Awesome. Listen to me. Clock. Clock. All right, and our third word has our CL blend. I want everyone to be saying cool. Awesome. Cool. If. Cliff. Very good job. All right. Our fourth word up here does not have our cool blend, but you still know the sounds. Say the sounds and blend. Good. Ill. Will. Ooh, this has our SH digraph. What does SH say? It says shh. Good. All right. Shh. Shut. Good. Oh, we have a TH down here. This is tricky. Our TH can say two different sounds. What are they? Good. We have V and F. Good. V, M, them. Very good job, guys, sounding out some words. All right, today our sight word that we are practicing is were. Some girls were jumping rope at recess yesterday. Were. My turn. Were. My turn. Read. Were. My turn. Spell. W-E-R-E. Were. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn, spell. Really good. All right, everyone with your fingers in the air. W-E-R-E. Whir. Very good job, guys. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we are going to practice some of our sight words. Alrighty, and we are going to go ahead and we are going to practice some ones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it up and you are going to say the word as quickly as you can right to your computer. After 3 seconds, I will say the word so you can check and see if you said the word correctly. All right, when you guys are ready, your first word. People. Very. Say. Come. Remember? Were. Very good. Your. His. Have. Said. Want. Here. Could. Would. From. Should. All right, good job, guys. Good practice with your sight words. Last but not least, we are going to go ahead and we are going to do some guided spelling. I'm going to say 3 words, all right? 2 words are for you to sound out and spell, and the last word is a sight word for you to practice, okay? Your first word is spell. I can spell many words. Spell. Spell. Make sure you say the word out loud first so you can really hear all of the sounds. Spell. If it's helpful for you to break apart the words by clapping the sounds, you can go ahead and do that. Make sure you're saying all of the sounds. We've got a blend in there. Spell. O. That last sound is O. L makes that sound. Make sure you're ending spell with 2 L's. L. L. Forget that sound in the middle. L. Once you have it written down, make sure you read it back to yourself. Make sure it really says what you think it says. Sp, sp, L. If this is what you have written down, then you can go ahead and give yourself a star because you are correct. Sp, L. If you don't have that word written down, it's okay. Take the time now to correct it so you have the right thing written down. Alrighty. Your second word is slam. Don't let the door slam when you shut it. Slam. 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 Make sure you're saying the word out loud before you write it down. Slam. Make sure you read it back to yourself. Slam. Slam. Alrighty, if you're ready, If this is what you have written down, then you are correct and you can give yourself a star. Slam. 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 Alrighty, your last word is a sight word, alright? Your last word is very. I'm in a very good mood today. Very. I want you to picture it in your head. Very, very, very. Write it down. Alrighty. You get less time for this one because sight words you can't sound them out. You just gotta know them. This is very. If you wrote B-E-R-Y, you are correct. That is your sight word, very. If you didn't get it correct, that's okay, but maybe once this video is over, you want to take some time to write that word a couple of times. Maybe write it 5 times, walk away, come back and write it again, just so you're practicing and you're remembering how to spell and how to read the sight word very. Do not forget, our sight words are so important for us to know. Alrighty guys, hope you had a good time during this lesson. Hope you guys learned a lot and had fun practicing your sounds. Make sure you're working hard at home. Bye.